Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing what I'm hoping is a lot of 12 motorcycles. As you guys can see right here, you probably can see much of them, I mean, but they're really cool. I mainly like bought them, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to zoom in. I mainly bought them really because of this one right here, this Yamaha. As you guys know already from seeing my other videos, I'm a big Yamaha fan and I love collecting Yamaha motorcycles. So yeah, that's the main reason why I bought this lot. But because the price, you know what I'm saying, of the the price of the lot, you know, the price of that motorcycle by itself. First of all, I only found 2 of them on the internet, and they were both, you know what I'm saying, in Europe. You know what I mean? That's where these are made. These are called Protell and Protell Italeri. You know what I'm saying? It's the brand, and you know, but they're really cool. But I'm not just gonna keep on talking. I'm gonna go ahead and alright, guys, so without further ado, I got my trusty box cutter, and we're gonna go ahead and get to the, you know what I'm saying, the core of this video right here. We're gonna unbox this box right here. Alright, guys, so we got most of the box already open. This is pretty much the last piece, and let's see what we have here. Pretty stoked about this one. Like I said, I've been trying to get that Yamaha for a bit, and wow, this is already looking good. Everything's looking as expected, and I really like what I see. Alright, so let's bring out the first one. Yeah, guys, so this is the first one we got right here. Pretty nice. I really like this. This is superb quality. This is a Suzuki RGVT 500 World Champion 1993 rider K. Schwantz. But yeah, guys, this is not even why I bought this. This is not an item I would try to go buy, but it looks to be the same quality as IXO, which is really nice. Like, it's just way better than my Isto. It just has more like individual parts, and it's just super dope. I mean, this is just incredible. So this is the first one. I'm gonna put this one down for a bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and start bringing out the next one. Okay, guys, so this is the next one we have. This one is a Suzuki, and this is a Suzuki RGT 500cc World Champion 1981 rider M. Lucinelli. You know, really cool one. I really like this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really like the colors. It's like a dark blue with white with the yellow number 5. I mean, this is just gonna add a lot of nice color into my whole display. I really like this. It's very cool. Again, like, look, and this one is just off the hook, because look at how different this is. Like, I'm trying to, like, imagine, you know, it honestly, all this is a motorcycle with the fairing just super crazy looking like this. That's all it really is. But again, like, when people first see this at first, it just looks like a crazy looking, you know, type of motorcycle. So this one here is actually called the Galera 4 Sil 500cc World Champion 1955 rider G Duke, guys. So this is a 1955 motorcycle right here, guys. Okay, this is just pretty cool, really dope. I'm gonna definitely, like, display all these motorcycles. This is just really awesome. Next up, guys, we got this Augusta 3 Sil 500cc. This is from World Champion 1967 rider G Agostini. So just again, like, superb quality, just everything. If you guys notice, the painting even on the handles, and, you know, everything. I really like this, and I you know what I'm saying, when I compare this to my Isto, this is, you could tell right away that there's just more higher definition parts, and stuff is meant to look just way more true to life. Okay guys, next up here we have this is a really cool one, and I really like this one because, as you guys know, I really like Yamahas, but just this one just looks really incredible. This is basically the Yamaha YZR M1 World Champion 2004 Rider V Rossi. So you know, again, just the shape of this one, this is just super insane. Again, I mainly just got this whole lot for a yellow Yamaha that we still yet to, you know, bring out, but so far, like, just all these motorcycles are just super dope. Next up, once again, I'm trying to find one that I don't like, but I pretty much, it's not that I don't even like this one, I just pretty much love this one. I mean, I've been seeing this one online for a while, and you know, it's almost like I kind of wanted to get this one. I'm really not familiar what this is, or I was at before. Now I'm actually reading what it is. This is basically the Honda RC 211V Team Repsol, and this is from the World Champion 2003 rider, again, V Rossi. You know what I mean? Yeah, pretty legendary rider, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so continuing on, here we have, this is basically the pretty much why we bought this lot. I mean, just incredible color detail, really rare, really love this one. This is instantly one of my favorite motorcycles the moment that I get this, just off the hook. And there is another one that's number 48 that there's a bunch of them online, but as far as this one is just really rare and really awesome. I may have to do a whole separate review just covering this one right here, but yeah guys, so it's nice to see that all of these are here and they all got here all in one piece. Here we have this old school Yamaha. This one is the Yamaha YZR OW23 500cc. This is from the World Champion 1975 rider G Agostini. You know what I'm saying? Again, it's this from the, most of these are from the same motorcycle riders. I guess these are motorcycles that they were, you know, fundamental and I guess championships they won in their career. Obviously, you know, it's basically world champion. This is the motorcycle that won that championship that year in 1975, you know, for that class. So that's what this represents. I mean, but again, I'm just into these items, period, because on so many levels. First of all, we can tell, if I can show you guys something real quick. It says Italeri, like right there on top of the box. It says Protell here, so that's the brand, but really it says Italeri right on there. I mean, I tried to go to the Italeri webpage and couldn't really find these motorcycles. It seems like these came out a while and they sold out. So I don't know, but and for what they had, stuff was pretty pricey, guys. So I was definitely into this lot from the jump. I mean, just look at the crazy colors on this Honda, guys. This is just sick. I mean, honestly, this is like way better than I thought this was gonna be all the way. This is just an awesome collection. And just to think, guys, I mean, just to think that what I paid for this was pretty much just $35, guys. And I'm talking about $35 for just 12 motorcycles, guys. Okay, so it's pretty crazy. Again, this Honda here that we have here, again, just super awesome livery, really cool. This one here is super dope. This one is the Honda NS 500cc, the World Champion 1983 rider F Spencer. And you know, just again, a really cool one too. May have to do a whole separate review on this one later on after I have them all displayed or something like that, because these are just too insane, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and continue on with the unboxing. Next one's up. We just have 2 more to go. I'm gonna bring another crazy looking one. This one seems that it's a little bit off the base, but as I can see in there, everything seems to be fine still. So I'm gonna be very gentle with this one. Again, like, I really appreciate this seller honoring this transaction, because, you know, basically I happen to win this as just barely over what the reserve was, and he had this whole collection for over like almost $200 or something like that. Alright guys, moving on. Next one up is the Galera 4-cylinder 500cc World Champion 1954 rider G Duke. And I gotta say, guys, I really like these Galera motorcycles. They have such a classic look, and they look very detailed too. I love how there's so many little parts for the motor, for the engine representation as well. and the way they're painted, I mean, just really awesome. Alright guys, last but not least, we have this crazy dope another Repsol, and this is another one that I had my eye out online. I just didn't know what to search it for, what it was about, but this is actually called the Honda RCV. I mean the Honda RC, sorry about that. This is actually called the Honda RC. Yeah, this is called the Honda RC 211 V Valencia GP World Champion 2003 rider V Rossi. So, you know, again, super sick bike. This is another one that is really dope, you know what I'm saying? And yeah guys, what can I say guys? This seller really, like, you know, lived up. You know, I'm definitely gotta get this guy like a full 5-star positive rating, because this is probably one of the best like lot transactions that I've ever had on eBay. I mean, for just $35 guys. I mean, all of these, there's no place where I live that I can just walk to a store and pretty much and buy all of these, let alone just find them, or at least just one of these. It just won't happen. And to get all of these for $35, like I said, and the crazy thing, at first I didn't think that the seller was going to ship it, you know what I'm saying, because I had paid and I noticed that a couple of days went by and he hadn't shipped it. So you know, but by the way, before I forget guys, I just want to make sure that that I shout out the seller, you know what I'm saying. His name is Bucket Racing Fab. So it's Bucket Racing Fab. I want to make sure, I want to give him a big shout out. He's really an awesome seller. I really appreciate this transaction and just his salesmanship. As you guys can see, this was mailed to me, priority mail. This literally took 2 days or so. So yeah guys, big shout out to him. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace.